Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about arugula, and I have a list of tips and ideas for using arugula. So if you're new to using it or you're looking for some new ideas for using arugula, hopefully this will help you out. This list is a little bit long, but I put it all into one video, so hang in there with me. Why not try making a pesto with arugula instead of basil? Or if you have both on hand, basil and arugula, try using a blend of the two. That would be a nice, interesting flavor twist on a pesto. Why not add some arugula along with spinach when you make lasagna? Try tossing a little arugula with roasted vegetables right after they come out of the oven. Roasted squash, beets, potatoes, and carrots would all work well together. Toss in a little arugula with cooked rice, wild rice, farro, or couscous. Add the arugula right after the grains have been cooked, just so that it becomes slightly wilted but not total mush. Try arugula in place of lettuce, or a half lettuce and half arugula mixture on a sandwich, a wrap, or even on a burger. How about adding a little arugula to a soup or stew right after it's finished cooking? Add arugula right along with other greens to your favorite tossed green salad. Since arugula does have a bit of a spicy flavor, the milder lettuce will help to balance out the flavors, and a sweet balsamic vinegar will complement those flavors very well with the peppery flavored arugula. Now, if you have a recipe that calls for arugula and you don't have enough on hand, you could substitute the following. Yes, the flavors will be a little different, but they would still work. You could use watercress, Belgian endive, dandelion greens, escarole, radicchio for salads, or baby spinach leaves. Note that spinach does lack that peppery flavor of arugula, so add pepper in your recipe to compensate if needed. 1 ounce of arugula is about 1 cup. Try adding some arugula to various salads. It could be a pasta salad, noodle, potato, grain, or even a bean salad. Include arugula into warm pasta dishes, grain pilafs, and risotto. Try adding arugula to a stir fry at the last minute. Or what about adding arugula to avocado toast? Now, if the flavor of arugula is too strong for you, try cooking it just lightly, and that will make the flavor more mellow than what it was in the raw state. You could lightly saute arugula with a little garlic and then finish it with a drizzle of lemon juice, and that will help to mellow that strong, sometimes pungent flavor of the arugula. And it'll also add another health-promoting leafy green to your dish, your diet, your day, your meal, whatever. Anything we can do to add the leafy greens in is very, very helpful for our health. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any comments or questions below, or if you have another way that you enjoy arugula, please feel free to share it with others below. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.